What's going on, guys? Today in this video we are going to be making a camera mount for the PlayStation VR tracking system. I'm putting my camera up higher, so I'm going to make like a little mount for it, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Step by step walkthrough on how it's done. We're going to test it out at the end of the video and see if it works. So, what I have here is tent poles from an old tent I don't use anymore. So these just go together. These are just for the cross bracing on the tent. One of them's actually bent. This one here, I'm gonna cut this one shorter because it's bent in the middle, and it cut like a foot from the edge here. But so I have a center one. Two ends are smaller, and I have the bottom one end smaller. The other is not. So what I'm going to do is put these together, and I want it to be about 6.5 feet tall. Not from the bottom to here, but I'm gonna put this on the desk, so I want it from the desk to be that tall. So you can see it's bent right here, so I'm gonna cut it off like right about there. And it should be good. It's still bent a little bit, but it should be alright. And what I'm doing right now is I'm actually printing a piece right here. This is actually for mounting the PlayStation camera, standing here with the PlayStation camera on this, and this mounts onto lampposts. You can find this on Thingiverse. And tent poles work great for the size you need. So this is what I'm printing right now in my 3D printer. We're also gonna need to model something up on this, so I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So I have Autodesk Inventor. One second, guys. Okay, so we're in Inventor now. We just opened up part, and we're just gonna do a 2D sketch. I just exited out of it. Whoops. So we're just gonna go to a 2D sketch. I drew out some plans right here. So I figured out the diameter of the hole. It needs to be 0.535. And the wall thickness, I'm gonna make it 0.1. Okay, then the freaking thing that it goes into needs to be 1.937 high, and then I gotta make it look like freaking that. Basically a bent hot dog. So, okay. Let's start modeling. Alright, guys, it's a couple days since I filmed that last part where my brother came in my room and flipped me off, but it is the next part of this video. So, well, it's the same video, but the stand is done. I got it all 3D printed out. It's up and ready to go. Got the camera on there. PSVR is all set up, and it is nice and straight in the corner there. So I just turned my flash on, well, my oil light. As you can see, the PSVR camera is nice in there. I got my 3D printed part in there on the rod. It goes down, and the base we did not do. I did not make that base. Unlike another video, I was about to model it. I decided not to make the base. What I did is put a piece of this tent pole into here, into the desk. So if you want to take the camera out, it just slides in and out like that, because it's just a piece of tent into there. Without making the whole stand thing that mounts in there, you just slide it in, so it's modular. So you can take it all out and everything, which is really nice. to put it away when you don't want it up here. So it's just my simulators right here. There's the eye, and we didn't have to print the base out, but the only thing we had to print was the piece that went onto the bar right here to hold the camera and everything else. These are just tent poles, like I said, and we just put a piece of the tent pole in there into the desk, and it just clips into there like that. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video, and it helps you guys for some ideas on how to make one. And thanks for watching.